are going to see Hindi. Today we will see Hindi language. So we are going to first start with the vowels. We are going to see the vowels in the Hindi language. In English, we have vowels and consonants, right? So the same way we also have vowels and consonants in Hindi also. So shall we begin? Let us see one by one. In English, the A, E, I, O, U are all called as the vowels. Am I right? So, in Hindi, we call them as swar. We call them as swar. Swar means vowels. There are 12 vowels in the Hindi language. Let us see one by one. Shall we see what is the first vowel? The first vowel is the letter A. First vowel is the letter A. When you say A, it is sounding as the letter A. A. Okay? And we will see two words starting with this letter A. Shall we see? The first word is A se anar. A se anar. Anar means pomegranate. Anar means pomegranate. A se anar. The second word we are going to see is A se ajgar. A se ajgar. Ajgar means a snake. Ajgar means a snake. The first letter is the letter A. And the two words that we saw was A se anar, A se ajgar. After the letter A comes the second letter, which is the letter A. Which is the letter A. When you say A, your mouth is wide open. We will see two words with the letter A. A se aam. A se aam. Aam means mango. Aam means mango. We all love mango. Am I right? So, A se aam. The other word that we are going to see with the letter A is A se aag. A se aag. 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 Aag means fire. Aag means fire. So this letter is called A, and the two words we saw with this letter were A se aam, A se aag. The third letter after A comes the letter E. This letter is called E. We shall see two words starting with this letter E. E se imli. E se imli. If you see, this is the letter E. Ma li. E ma li. Together when you say, it is imli. Imli means tamarind. Imli means tamarind. In Tamil, we call it Puliyanga. And the second word we are going to see is the letter from the letter E is E se imarat. E se imarat. If you see here, E, these two together are called ma, ra, ta. Imarat. Together when you say, it is imarat. Imarat means buildings, the tall buildings. This letter is called E, and the two words we saw with the starting with this letter is E se imali and E se imarat. After E comes the letter E. After E comes the letter E. If you see this letter, this E has a horn above it, has a big curved horn above it. E say, the two words that we are going to see is E say eek, 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 eek. The two words are E say eek. The second word is E say eed. 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 Eek means sugarcane. Eek means sugarcane. And Eid is a festival. Eid is a festival. After E comes the letter U. After E comes the letter U. We shall see two words starting with this letter U. This letter is called U. U. Say upahar. Upahar means a gift. This is a gift. Upahar. Upahar. Upahar means gift. U say upahar. The other word is ullu. 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 U say ullu. Ullu means owl. Ullu means owl. U say upahar. U say ullu. After U comes the letter U. After U comes the letter U. When you see in this U, there is a small curved tail. U. So you have to stretch it long. When you pronounce this letter, you have to stretch it long. So the two words that we are going to see with this letter are U say oont. 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 Oont means camel. Oont. The other word is oon. Oon. U say oon. Oon means wool. This letter is called oo. U say oont. U say oon. After U comes the letter Ru. After U comes the letter Ru. This is the letter Ru. We shall see two words with this letter. Ru say Rushi. Ru say Rushi. This letter is Ru. She. She. Not she. It is she. Rushi. Rushi means a holy person or a saint. And the other word is Ru say Rushab. 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 Rushab means a bull. Ru. This letter is called Ru. Ru say Rushi. Ru, say Rushab. After Ru comes the letter A. After Ru comes the letter A. A, say Ek. A, say Ek. This is the letter A and this is the letter K. Ek. Ek. Ek means the number 1. Ek. Ek means the number 1. The other word is A, D. This is together when you see it is D. A, D. A, D. A, D. This letter is called A. A, say Ek. A, say AD. AD means the heel. In your feet, if you see, there is a portion called heel. That heel is called AD. After A comes the letter I. I. When you see the A and there is one small straight horn above the letter A, it becomes I. I. This letter is called I. I, say Ainak. I, say Ainak. This letter is I. Na-ka. Ainak. Ainak. Ainak means specs. Ainak means specs. Nammaloda kannadi. The second word is I-ra-va-ta. Airavat. Airavat. Airavat is the elephant which is white in color. Airavat. This letter is called I and the two words are I, say Ainak. I, say Airavat. After I comes the letter O. After I comes the letter O. Children, if you see, when you see this letter without the horn, it is A. And when you draw one straight line above this, it becomes O. O. This is pronounced as O. O, say. We are seeing the two words now. O, say Os. O, O. The one marked in the letter in the color red is O. S. Os. Os. Os means dewdrops. Os means dewdrops, which means pani tuli. The small droplets of water on the leaf is called as dewdrops. Os. Os. The other word is Oakley. O-K-Lee. Together when you say Oakley. Oakley. Oakley means mortar pestle. நம்மளோட வீட்டில் இருக்கும் இல்லையா ஒலக்க and உரல். இந்த உரல் and இந்த ஒலக்க இது ரெண்டையும் சேர்த்தாதான் Oakley. We use it to grind something. ஏதாவது இடிக்கிறதுக்கு அரைக்கிறதுக்கு நம்ம இதை யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். Oakley. This letter is called O. After O comes the letter OW. If you see here, children, there is A. When you draw one line above it, it becomes O. When you draw two lines above it, it becomes OW. OW. This letter is pronounced as OW. The two words that we are going to see with the letter OW is Ause, Aurat. Aurat. Together when you say Aurat. When you say it together, it is called Aurat. 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 Aurat means any woman. Any woman is called as Aurat. And the second picture, if you see, it is Au, Za, R. Au, Zar. Auzar. 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 Auzar means tools or weapons. Auzar. Auzar means tools or weapons. So this letter is called Au, and the two words we saw starting from this letter is Au se aurat, Au se auzar, Au se aurat, Au se auzar. After Au comes the letter Ang, After Au comes the letter This is A. This letter is called A and there is one dot above it. It becomes or ang. There are two words. Se anguthi. 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 Anguthi means ring which we wear on our fingers. Anguthi. Modaram. The other word, if you see, it is angur. 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 Ang se angur. Ang se angur. Angur means grapes. Drachai. Angur means grapes. So this letter is called ang. Ang se anguthi. Ang se angur. And the last letter is called as aha. There is a letter A and there is two dots next to it. It is called as aha. There is no words starting with this letter, but it is used as a supportive vowel. This is used as a supportive vowel. So we had seen 12 letters today. A, I, E, O, I, O, ang, aha. And also we saw one more letter in between, which was ru. So again, if we revise this in the order, A, I, O, ru, A, I, O, ang, aha. So basically there are 12 vowels and the aha, the last 13th vowel, is used as a supportive vowel. We don't have any words starting with this letter. Okay, children. Thank you so much. We will all meet in the next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you for watching our Homeschooling Learn to Lead channel. Please subscribe our channel for Lead to Learn.